Hey yummies, welcome back to my channel. So today is the start of our Sunday dinner series, and we're featuring Chick-fil-A air fried chicken tenders and Copycat Chick-fil-A sauce recipe. This thing is delicious. Check this out. So we're going to start off with the seasoning slash marinade for the chicken tenders, which is a quarter cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of mustard, and a tablespoon of crushed fresh garlic. We're making about 16 ounces of chicken tenders, which we're going to slice up and have thawed out and ready for this marinade. The seasoning sauce also is going to allow the breadcrumbs and the Parmesan cheese mixture to stick to and adhere to the chicken tenders when you put them in the air fryer. So we mix those three ingredients together, and then we are going to take the thawed out chicken tenders and coat them with this seasoning marinade mixture, as you see coming up. After we're done coating the chicken, we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to let that marinade soak in. Now for the breading, we're going to take a half a cup of panko breadcrumbs, a half a cup of shredded fresh Parmesan cheese, a quarter cup of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. And that's your coating, which you're going to stir together to get ready to coat those chicken tenders. Make sure you have a tray with some wax paper or parchment paper on top to place your chicken tenders once you have coated them. Now for the fun part, we're going to make the Chick-fil-A Copycat sauce. I'm making a sugar-free version, so as you see, I used Stevia and I used sugar-free ketchup. So the Copycat sauce, Chick-fil-A sauce, is mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, liquid smoke, and whatever your preference is for a sweetener. You can use sugar, but here I've used Stevia. We mix those together. I'll give you the exact measurements in the description box with the recipe, but that's it. And you use this liquid smoke to taste. Really, really simple. And now we're just going to assemble the chicken tenders. We're going to take the chicken tenders out of the refrigerator. Now we're going to take that breadcrumb and Parmesan cheese mixture, and we're just going to coat each chicken tender and lay it flat on our parchment covered baking pan. So listen, my goal here is to make things simple in your kitchen, simple and easy and less intimidating. And let me tell you, this is an easy, delicious recipe. So now we're preheating our air fryer at 400 for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then we coat our air fryer with some nonstick spray, and we just place those tenders inside the air fryer, and we cook them for about 10 to 15 minutes. Again, I'll give you the exact measurements in the description box. Midway through cooking, you're going to flip those tenders over so that they're brown on all sides. But I mean, look at this. It is so delicious. I just spent about $50 at Chick-fil-A the other night, and I was kind of like, wait a minute, I have to figure out a way to recreate this at home, because that's a lot of money for 4 chicken tenders and a salad and some fries. But here we go. So you can have these chicken tenders with whatever your side dish of choice is. In this case, we had a salad, and let me tell you, this was delicious. delicious. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share if you enjoyed the content. Peace and blessings.